Oh, hello. I apologize in advance for whatever my hair is doing. It just honestly has a mind of its own today. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through my iftar recipe slash meal prep for the next like 3 or 4 days, I guess. Today is a Saturday, so it's a really weird day to do meal prep, but it's a long weekend and I'm here in New York, so I just thought, why not make the most of it? But I'm really excited because on the menu we have Thai green vegetable curry. Now this recipe is vegan. I think it's paleo friendly too. I don't know, is quinoa paleo? I'll show you what I have laid out here. I have all of our ingredients and then I'll take you through how I prepare it and then I guess we'll taste test it. It's after iftar, it's almost 9, so it's 40 minutes past iftar. Now all I've had is some dried fruit, so I'm really excited to make a super hearty, nutritious meal. Almost everything is from Trader Joe's, so if you have one nearby your place, you can probably get it. Otherwise, it's not ingredients that you wouldn't be able to find at any local supermarket, food store. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here's everything that I have set up. Again, this is not elaborately spread like this all the time. It's for your viewing pleasure only. The base of the curry is going to be quinoa. This is just one that I got from Costco. And if you don't know, I like to keep all of my food in jars because I don't love the idea of plastic permeating the food that I'm going to eat. For the base of the sauce, I'm going to use this reduced fat coconut milk from Trader Joe's. I don't always go for reduced fat options, but since we're team caloric deficit, I feel like this might be a better option. For my source of protein, I'm going to have garbanzo beans or chickpeas. Again, these are just the ones from Trader Joe's. They are a good source of protein and fiber. For the vegetables, as you can see, we have quite a few laid out here. I have some spinach that was in the freezer that I'm just gonna finish up in this recipe. I bought some broccoli florets from Trader Joe's. I think this really makes the curry super hearty. I don't like it when I have like super thin slice of a vegetable. I like to actually have like substance to it. I also got these organic rainbow cut and peeled baby carrots. I don't usually buy carrots, but these ones kind of stood out and I thought I like to have different colors in my foods. So I thought that trying purple carrots and white carrots would be something fun. I don't know. YOLO. Finally, I have this asparagus sauté with onions and mushrooms. I might only use half of this because I do have quite a lot of vegetables, but I did want some asparagus and some mushrooms. I haven't had this mix in a while, but it used to be something that I always got for a stir fry. Finally, I'm gonna add some minced garlic. This is the one that I buy from Trader Joe's. I'm truly too lazy to buy my own fresh garlic and cut it. It literally just has garlic, water, and citric acid just to make sure that it stays fresh. And it's so potent, so I love to use this one. I got some organic vegetable stock. I'm gonna use this to kind of make it a little more of a runny curry. I don't like it to be super thick. I'm going into the whole spices section that you see over here. I'll start with bay leaves. These I just kind of drop in. They really help to add some tangy flavor to it. I have a shallot that I'll chop up in addition to some ginger that I'll grate in there just to give it a little bit of a zing. Here I have some paprika. I'm just gonna put a pinch. It wouldn't be tall if I wasn't cooking with turmeric. Turmeric is amazing. It's super anti-inflammatory and really helps for immunity boosting. That's why curries and soups with turmerics or turmeric lattes are such a good option if you feel like you're coming down with something. So I would highly recommend that you be generous with your turmeric portions. I just got some new ground cumin because I actually finished mine. I love cumin. Cumin is actually really, really good for combating any of the foods that are super high antioxidants that would give you gas. So for example, if you were to have cauliflower, if you were to have broccoli or cabbage, or even beans and legumes, cumin is going to be your best friend. Pink Himalayan salt, nothing new here. And then I have 3 little mini jars of spices that my grandma gave me. This is some sumac. This is just some chili flakes that I'll probably add a little towards the end. And then this is some black pepper. Finally, what is really going to give it that kind of Indian spice and flavor is this garam masala powder that I brought from home. Don't hate me. I know that I'm using plastic. I know that I'm not supposed to be, but a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do, okay? Don't judge me. So essentially this is everything that I'm gonna be using and let's get to it. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to measure out about 1 cup of quinoa to 2 cups of water. I wanna make the quinoa first so that I have the base ready by the time the vegetables are done. That's about 1 cup. And then we'll just throw in 2 cups of water. A tiny dash of some salt, a little bit of pepper, mix it, and then I will let this cook while I start sauteing the veggies.
talk to him and you know it. Don't act like you don't know it. All of these things people told me keep messing with my head. Should've picked honesty, then you may not have thought.
Chef Tools did well. Quinoa with my vegan Thai curry. I have a good balance of healthy fats from the coconut milk and a good amount of carbs from the carrots and from the quinoa, in addition to my protein from the spinach and from the chickpeas, in addition to the greens. So there you have it, my iftar and my meal prep for the week. This makes probably about 2 meals, I would say, and the quinoa maybe also 2. So I'll have these for the next 2 nights. I'm gonna put them in the fridge. Don't you just hate it when you film an entire outro and you realize that the whole time you have the fan on? I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. That Thai vegan green curry is actually so filling. I know a lot of people will probably be like, but where's your chicken or where's your protein? And the reality is that I'm a huge believer in getting a lot of your proteins from plant-based sources. I was a vegetarian for 3 years and I still do believe that a plant-based lifestyle is way better for your health and for the environment and the world that we live in. So with that said, I'd like to shout out PETA, People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. I'll ask you guys to contribute and put a donation link below. PETA does a ton of work to protect and stand up for the rights of voiceless animals that are going extinct and those that are subject to harm because of the clothing or food or scientific research industry. If you have pets or you are a vegan or you just want to contribute to a cause that maybe you don't usually consider, then I really would ask you guys to dig deep. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe as it does help my channel. While you're there, go ahead and please tick the notification bell as that lets YouTube know that you like my content and you want to see more of it. So with that, I hope you'll dig deep. I send you huge love and I will catch you guys in my next vlog. Bye!